Switzerland is a landlocked country in the heart of Europe, yet it feels like an entire world of its own. From dramatic mountain peaks to incredible innovations, this country has shaped history and modern life in ways you might not expect. Let's uncover fascinating facts about Switzerland that will truly amaze you. Fact 1. Neutrality. Since 1815, Switzerland has famously stayed out of all wars since 1815, after the Napoleonic era. Its policy of neutrality has allowed it to become a safe haven during times of global conflict. This is why so many international peace treaties have been signed on Swiss soil. During both world wars, Switzerland remained neutral and served as a mediator between nations. Today, that tradition continues, as Geneva is home to the United Nations and dozens of humanitarian organizations. Neutrality has become one of the country's strongest identities. Fact 2. A land of mountains. About 60% of Switzerland is covered by the Alps, giving the country some of the most dramatic landscapes in Europe. These towering mountains aren't just for tourists. They shape Swiss culture, traditions, and even daily life. Villages in the Alps still depend on cable cars, tunnels, and mountain paths to stay connected. Fact 3. 4 official languages. Switzerland may be small, but it's incredibly diverse in language and culture. There are 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Fact 4. Lakes everywhere. Switzerland is home to more than 1,500 lakes, making water one of its greatest treasures. Some of the largest and most famous lakes include Lake Geneva, Lake Zurich, and Lake Lucerne. These lakes not only provide fresh drinking water, but also power the country through hydroelectric energy. Their crystal clear waters are perfect for swimming, boating, and fishing. Fact 5. World-class trains. Swiss trains are a marvel of engineering and punctuality. Known as some of the most reliable in the world, delays are often measured in seconds, not minutes. The famous Glacier Express takes passengers on an 8-hour scenic journey across the Alps, considered one of the most beautiful train rides on Earth. The train system also connects small mountain villages, ensuring no community is left isolated. Fact 6. High quality of life. Cities like Zurich, Geneva, and Bern often rank among the world's best for quality of life. Clean streets, excellent healthcare, and efficient public services make everyday living comfortable and safe. The average Swiss city offers green spaces, cycling paths, and easy access to nature. Salaries are high, and the standard of living reflects that wealth. Of course, the cost of living is also among the highest in the world. Yet for many, the benefits of Swiss life far outweigh the costs, making Switzerland a dream destination for expats and travelers alike. Fact 7. Chocolate capital of the world. Switzerland is often called the chocolate capital of the world, and for good reason. The average Swiss person consumes about 11 kilograms of chocolate each year, more than any other nation. The country is home to legendary brands like Lindt, Toblerone, and Nestlé. Swiss chocolatiers are famous for their smooth milk chocolate, which was invented here in the 19th century. Fact 8. The Swiss Army Knife. Invented in the late 1800s, the Swiss Army knife has become a worldwide icon of practicality. What started as a simple tool for soldiers is now a symbol of Swiss precision and engineering. Modern versions include blades, scissors, screwdrivers, bottle openers, and even USB drives. Fact 9. One of the safest countries, Switzerland has one of the lowest crime rates in the world, making it one of the safest places to visit or live. Violent crime is extremely rare, and even in large cities, walking at night is generally safe. Strict laws, a strong sense of community, and efficient police services help maintain security. The Swiss culture of respect and responsibility also plays a huge role. This safety attracts families, tourists, and international workers from all over the world. It's one of the reasons Switzerland is so highly admired globally. Fact 10. Not in the European Union. Despite being surrounded by EU countries, Switzerland is not a member of the European Union. The Swiss voted against joining the EU, choosing instead to keep more independence in their laws and economy. However, Switzerland still has close ties with the EU through trade agreements and the Schengen zone. This balance allows Switzerland to benefit from European cooperation while protecting its sovereignty. It's a unique position that reflects the Swiss tradition of independence. Fact 11. Direct democracy. One of the most unique aspects of Switzerland is its system of direct democracy. Citizens are not just voters every few years. They can propose new laws or challenge government decisions through national referendums. Fact 12. The Matterhorn. The Matterhorn, standing at 4,478 meters, is one of the most iconic mountains in the world. With its sharp pyramid-like peak, it has become a symbol of the Swiss Alps and is even featured on Toblerone chocolate packaging. Fact 13. Swiss watches. Switzerland has set the gold standard for watchmaking. Brands like Rolex, Omega, and Patek Philippe are not just timepieces, but works of art and engineering. The Swiss perfected precision mechanics over centuries, turning watchmaking into a national craft. Today, Swiss watches are still considered the most reliable and luxurious in the world. Fact 14. Banking and finance. Switzerland is famous for its banks, which have long offered stability and secrecy. For decades, wealthy individuals from around the globe trusted Swiss banks to protect their money. Fact 15. The Red Cross. The International Red Cross was founded in Geneva in 1863 by a Swiss humanitarian named Henry Dunant. He was deeply moved by the suffering he witnessed on a battlefield in Italy and wanted to create an organization that could help victims of war. Today, the Red Cross is one of the most respected humanitarian groups in the world, providing aid during conflicts and natural disasters. Its headquarters are still in Geneva, where thousands of volunteers and workers continue the mission. Fact 16. Cable cars everywhere. Because of its mountainous terrain, Switzerland has developed one of the most advanced systems of cable cars and gondolas in the world. For many Swiss, cable cars are not just for tourism. They are part of everyday transport. These systems make remote areas accessible and help preserve traditional mountain lifestyles. Riding one is a breathtaking experience that feels like floating above the Alps.